Hi, Steve Kirsh and Yogi here. Hi, Yoges. With the answer to today's adoption question. The question is, does the adoption law firm of Kirsh and Kirsh help teenagers obtain abortions? I'll answer that question in just a minute, but if you're thinking about an abortion, or you know someone who is thinking about an abortion, please take 2 minutes and watch the rest of this video before you decide. The United States Supreme Court, in the landmark case of Roe v. Wade, has long ago decided that abortion is legal in this country. But just because it's legal, just because it's permitted in almost every circumstance, doesn't mean that a woman should have an abortion. An abortion ends a pregnancy, but it doesn't end the fact that the woman was pregnant. If she has an abortion, she's going to live with that decision for the rest of her life. There are some women that have a very hard time with that. There's an alternative to abortion, adoption being one of them. An adoption allows a woman to give her child life, to give her child a loving and secure home, to make a family a family. A couple who couldn't otherwise have a child, or a single person who couldn't otherwise have a child, has an opportunity to become parents. Now think about that. Has the opportunity to become parents because of the unselfish love of a woman who can't care for the child at that moment in her life, but loves her child enough to find a home for that child where that child can grow and develop and be loved by a set of parents, or again, a single person. So yes, it is possible to obtain an abortion in this country, but just because it's possible, does that mean it's the right thing to do? And I think for a lot of people, if they'll look into adoption, and at Kirsh and Kirsh, we're happy to explain everything without any cost or obligation. Just give us a call, we'll answer your questions. We're not going to pressure you, we're not going to try to make you feel bad. We'll just try to give you the information that you need in order to make a decision, whether it's for yourself or for a teenager. Excuse me, Yoges. Now, the answer to the question. The answer to the question is simply no. Kirsh and Kirsh does not help anyone obtain abortions, or teenagers for that matter. Frankly, I don't know if a teenager is allowed to have an abortion without the permission of their parents. You'll need to check elsewhere for the answer to that question. I hope you'll take advantage of the information that we're providing about adoption as an alternative to abortion and contact us. Thank you very much.